Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. It's another weekend, another project, and today we're doing some garage shelving. Okay, as I mentioned, it's another weekend, so it can only mean one thing, another project. So today and tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, tasked with creating some shelving in the garage outside. I'm inside because it's raining, so I just thought I'd have a quick coffee first. So yeah, we'll head outside, I'll show you what's going on. It's a total mess at the moment, as most garages probably are. Want to make it nice and organised, have a place for everything, paint, tools, bikes, etc, etc, etc. So I'll get out there, show you what's going on at the moment, what the plan is, and then we'll do some time lapses of me clearing the garage out and building the shelving. Obviously, I mentioned coffee, having an espresso, it's a Stormio pod. I know obviously George Clooney does the most adverts at the moment for Nespresso, but if Nespresso are watching this video, I'm available for any sponsorship deals. HusonDIY@gmail.com. I just want to show you my technical drawings here. You see a little shelving system there with kind of 4 shelves with a gap in the middle. A workbench is going to go in the middle there. So I did this just to work out how many lengths of wood I needed really. But it's kind of give you an idea of the layout. Okay, so this is a garage. Mess, bikes, paint, coal down there, wood in corner, wood over there. Got my OSB over there. And my stud work down here. That's what we're going to use for the shelves, for the shelving system. It's going to go all the way across there. I'm going to leave a metre gap on this left hand side here to hang the bikes up on. So I've got my bike and Oliver's bike, so we're going to hang them up on the wall. There'll be a gap kind of in the middle for that workbench over there to sit into and to stay in, but then loads of shelving built around it. So I'll set up the tripod and we'll get this stuff cleared out. Okay, so we've done a bit of clearing out. I keep saying we, it's just me. Let me show you what's going on now. So I took the shelving out there, cleared everything out. Just need to get that bit of wood in corner just brought away. And then what I'm going to do across the top here, there's a bit of wood that runs all the way across. So I'm going to take these wires and these clips off and attach the top piece of wood all the way across there, so I can get into some wood, which is really good because I'm a bit nervous about going into this concrete. I have to be really careful drilling the holes for the plugs, and then a piece of wood across all the way across the bottom on that little lip, and then you just need to work out the distances for the shelves. So I think it works out as 4, including the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just need to work out the distances and draw it all on there. Get my laser level out and get some wood screwed in. So that's how we're looking so far. Okay, so it's going to take a little bit of a lunch break. It's also Manchester Derby today. This is when I'm recording it. So I'm going to go have some dinner. Manchester Derby, me and Oliver are watching that. And I'm predicting a 2-2 draw. 2-2 draw. So once we come back, we'll get that wood on wall and start building some shelves. Okay, totally cleared out now. We've got loads of room to start doing the work. So I've just got my laser level out and put it on this contraption here. So obviously that's putting the laser perfectly level across all the wall, which makes it miles easier. So I'm going to measure out now where I want the each shelf to be. I can start marking out and fixing some wood onto the wall. One thing that is worrying me, if you see that concrete, it's really coarse, it's like full of pebbles. So I'm hoping that I can get a nice drill bit in, but it might break quite easily, so I have to keep it nice and steady with the drill bit. Okay, end of day one. It's really dark now, raining, pouring down, actually it's horrible. But I managed to get a piece of wood up, everything measured out, ready to rock and roll tomorrow. I've got to work out how I'm going to do those holes into the concrete. I'm going to go down the cracks of each one, because it does go in okay. But it's just getting everything lined up properly, but it's pouring down now. So tidy up, go have some tea, and Man United won 2-1 as well. So I'll be back tomorrow, bright and early. Okay, day two. So putting up this wood now. So let me just try and show you. Screw it into that concrete there. The first one's gone in fine with some plugs, just some 40mm plugs, and I've countersunk quite deep into wood to get a screw further in because I couldn't go much deeper with a plug. So I've had to go with 40mm plugs into there. But it's looking good so far. It's nice and strong. So now I need to start building the frame below, but not all the way across, because this is where the workbench is going to sit into. Workbench will sit into there. So I just need to plan out here exactly what I'm going to do and build it properly. Okay, back structure all done now. It's all on the wall, all secured. So I'm going to screw, basically duplicate it onto the face of it, and then put the legs on as well. And then the idea is I can then lift the front of it away, which is then identical to the back, and then I can put the arms, the support arms in between. So we're going to give that a go now. So I'll replicate on the back first, then cut some legs to the height of it, and hopefully be able to lift it away and go from there. Okay, so the legs are on now. All legs are on. They're all on. So I'm going to lift the frame away from the wall, and then put the support arms on. So I'll put that into time lapse now. Okay, so it's up. I've got those middle, these ones in, supporting it at the moment, so it's a little bit rickety, but I'm going to get all the rest of them in. So I'm just cutting some more lengths now, some 59cm bits to go in the middle, and then we can put some pocket holes into those. I'll do some pocket holes so I get a nice clean connection with the drill, with the screws. Okay, so I'm started putting some shelving on. I've showed a little bit of cutting. The battery ran out when I was halfway through cutting, so I only showed a little bit of the cutting the OSB. So I started cutting. Let me show you quickly. So the shelving is on. It's just a little bit big there, so I'm going to trim it. Then obviously fill these bits in here. These little end bits, using those. A little bit up here. But we're nearly there now. We just need to obviously fill them bits in, then fix the shelving down with some screws. All done, all finished. The workbench is in there now, looking great. All shelves done, awesome. If it's been a good video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a dislike, and hit that subscribe button to follow for more DIY projects.